Hey, my name is David Buck, and right now I want to show you this portrait editing hack in Lightroom Classic. So Adobe gave us some incredible AI masking tools to use, and this one is buried down in the menus. And it only shows itself when you can actually use it. But check this out. When I select masking or hit Shift-W, the masking selection toolbar comes up on the right. If I want to select a subject automatically, I hit this button here and Lightroom will pick the subject for me. Cool. However, if Lightroom detects that there's a person in the picture, you get this little button right here with the person's face on it. If you have multiple people, then multiple people come up. And they're all named person 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightroom can't detect their name quite yet. But if this button comes up, and it'll only come up if the people are actually recognized, and when you click on that circle, you get a whole bunch more options. Then it gives you checkboxes of all these different parts of the portrait. And when you pick any of these, you can click Create Mask of just that thing. Holy smokes. Do you see the potential here? So get Lightroom to automatically mask the different parts of the face for you, and you can make adjustments to those parts. You can pick the face and the body skin and make it smoother by dropping down the texture and the clarity. You can select the eyebrows and make them more textured and darker. You can pick the eye sclera and make it whiter. You can brighten, saturate, and texture the iris and pupil to make the eyes pop, redden the lips, whiten the teeth, give texture to the hair, bring out the highlights of the hair. My goodness. All the things you would do in Photoshop for a professionally edited portrait, but now you can do them in Lightroom, and Lightroom will even make the selections for you. Then, something you can't do in Photoshop, you can save it as a preset to apply to every other portrait that Lightroom can detect a face in. So you've got a one-click solution for your portraits. Holy smokes, this makes me excited. So if I make all these adjustments to this portrait and then save the mask as a preset, then I can take another photo that Lightroom can detect the person, and I can one-click apply and let Lightroom do the work for me. Awesome. Okay, sometimes when people are too small in the photo, Lightroom will detect the subject, but not the individual people, like in this one here. Other times, like in a big group family photo, the program can pick out all the different people and allow me to make the same adjustments to all of them. Sometimes when the person is looking to the side, it doesn't detect the facial features, and at other times it does. So it doesn't work on every picture, but it does work on a lot of them. And knowing Adobe, it'll probably just get better with time. So this program-based automatic selection opens up a whole world of possibilities in making editing easier and faster. In the next video, we're going to dive into what adjustments you'd actually want to make and why you want to make them so that you can take these tools and take your portrait editing to the next level.